Duval from Cinco Ranch has a question about insulation.
Well, he's re-insulated his flood house, or he's in the process of doing it, Tom. And Duval writes, all the exterior wall insulation I see in the stores is backed pink fiberglass insulation. However, I got a quote for a company using yellow fiberglass insulation with no backing. So, Tom, Duval wants to know, yellow, pink, backed, unbacked, faced? I guess it's faced. It's not backed.
Pink is just a color for Owens Corning, and yellow is a color for... I forgot the other insulation company, but it's
Mansville, I think.
Mansville. There you go. Thank you. And then the formaldehyde-free ones that I always recommend, they usually don't have any coloring at all. They're white. So I would prefer you see a unfaced formaldehyde-free fiberglass. If you're going to use a pink or a yellow, the yellow has no facing, that's fine. Or the pink one, if you use the facing, just cut an X in it before you close the walls up so it'll breathe a little bit. And that's what Owens Corning's always recommended you do with their product, is just cut the paper down here in this area of the Gulf Coast region. So either way, it's all going to work. I'm a formaldehyde-free, unfaced guy.
No matter what color your question, you can send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. And, of course, you can check out other videos over here and subscribe to our channel. You'd be helping us a lot with that one.